Hey there, health-conscious ladies. Are you ready to unlock the secret to a healthier, more vibrant you? Well, today is your lucky day because we have got something special for you. Are you ready to discover the 20 fat-burning foods every woman should include in her diet? If you have ever wondered how to supercharge your metabolism, shed those extra pounds, and boost your overall well-being, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because we're about to unveil the ultimate dietary powerhouses that will transform your life. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I'd like to assure you that everything in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Let's start with number 1, avocado. This creamy green wonder deserves a closer look. Avocado is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. It's like a natural appetite suppressant that keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those midday snack attacks. Think of it as your personal bodyguard against cravings. Plus, it's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins E, K, and C, making it a superb addition to any woman's fat-burning diet. Number 2, green tea. Often referred to as the elixir of weight loss, green tea goes beyond its calming effects. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, it's known to boost metabolism. Drinking green tea is like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge to start burning more calories, which can be a significant aid in shedding those extra pounds. This natural beverage can be a valuable addition to your fat-burning arsenal. Go to number 3, Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is a must-have for fat loss. It's like having a personal trainer for your metabolism. The high protein content not only keeps you feeling full, but also helps preserve and build lean muscle mass, leaving you feeling stronger and more energized. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet is a smart choice for any woman looking to boost her fat-burning efforts. Number 4, salmon, the omega-3 champion. Salmon isn't just good for your heart, it's also a fat-burning superhero. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help your body burn fat more efficiently, making it a delicious choice for a metabolism-boosting meal. Incorporating this flavorful fish into your diet not only promotes cardiovascular health, but also supports your weight loss goals. It's a win-win for your overall well-being. Go to number 5, quinoa, the blood sugar stabilizer. Ditch those refined grains and embrace quinoa. It's like the stabilizer wheels on your appetite bike, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes. This complex carbohydrate keeps you feeling fuller for longer, helping you resist the temptation of unhealthy snacks. Incorporating quinoa into your diet can be a game changer in managing your hunger and supporting your fat-burning journey. Now let's talk to number 6, chia seeds, the tiny but mighty. These seeds might be small, but their impact on your appetite is huge. When exposed to liquid, they absorb water and expand in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness. Think of them as your natural hunger suppressants. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can help you control your portion sizes and support your weight loss goals. Number 7, spinach, the low-calorie superhero. Spinach is like the ultimate fat-fighting champion. It's incredibly low in calories, but packs a punch in nutrients, including iron that boosts your energy levels during workouts. It's the perfect ingredient for your salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Incorporating spinach into your diet not only helps you stay on track with your calorie intake, but also supports your overall vitality and fitness journey. Landing at number 8, berries, the antioxidant boosters. These sweet and juicy treats are your metabolism's best friends. They are loaded with antioxidants that not only protect your cells, but also help you burn more calories. Plus, they're a guilt-free delight for your taste buds. Including a variety of berries in your diet is a tasty and healthy way to supercharge your metabolism and satisfy your cravings. Number 9, we have almonds, the satisfying crunch. Almonds are your go-to snack for satisfying cravings. Packed with monounsaturated fats and fiber, they're like a fortress against unhealthy snacking. Munching on a handful of almonds keeps your cravings in check, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan. Including almonds in your diet is a delicious and convenient way to stay on track with your fat-burning goals and ward off those tempting snacks. Number 10, lean turkey, the muscle builder. Picture lean turkey as the architect of your metabolic masterpiece. It's a lean protein powerhouse, helping you build and maintain muscle while revving up your metabolism. Plus, it's a flavorful alternative to red meat, making it a win-win. Incorporating lean turkey into your diet is a smart choice for sculpting a leaner body and enjoying tasty protein-packed meals. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss a new upload. We share helpful health information and tips to help you live your healthiest life. Let's coming in. Number 11, broccoli, the fiber-rich champion. Broccoli is like a cleaning crew for your digestive system. It's loaded with fiber and nutrients, making it an essential part of your fat-burning arsenal. Steam it, roast it, or add it to salads for a satisfying and healthy meal. Including broccoli in your diet promotes better digestion and helps you maintain your weight loss goals with ease. Number 12, sweet potatoes, the lasting energy source. When you crave carbs, opt for nutrient-packed sweet potatoes. They're like a slow-release energy battery. These complex carbs stabilize your blood sugar levels, ensuring you have steady, lasting energy for your workouts and daily activities. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet not only satisfies your carb cravings, but also supports your endurance and overall well-being. Next, number 13, lentils, the protein and fiber combo. Lentils are your weight loss allies, offering both protein and fiber in abundance. They create a feeling of fullness and help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and mid-afternoon cravings. Including lentils in your diet is a smart choice for managing your appetite, maintaining steady energy, and supporting your weight loss journey. Number 14, oranges, the refreshing boost. Oranges are not just for vitamin C. They also aid in fat burning. The vitamin C in oranges can enhance your fat burning potential during exercise, making them a great choice for a pre-workout snack or post-workout recovery. Including oranges in your diet provides a zesty and nutritious way to support your fitness goals and overall well-being. Number 15 on our list is cinnamon, the metabolism booster. Sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal or add it to your smoothies. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and amps up your metabolism. It's like giving your body's engine a little extra horsepower for fat burning. Incorporating cinnamon into your meals not only enhances the flavor, but also supports your body in burning calories more efficiently. Go to watermelon, the hydrating fat burner, at number 16. Stay refreshed and hydrated with juicy watermelon. It's low in calories and contains citrulline, which aids in fat loss and supports muscle recovery. Consider it your delicious, summery workout companion. Including watermelon in your diet not only keeps you hydrated, but also promotes a more effective fat-burning process, making it the perfect addition to your summer fitness regimen. Number 17, apple cider vinegar, the natural fat burner. This kitchen staple is renowned for its ability to control blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness. It's like a friendly reminder to your body that you have had enough to eat. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet can be a helpful tool in managing your appetite and supporting your fat-burning efforts. Next, number 18, tomatoes, the metabolic regulators. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, but that's not all. They contain compounds that can help regulate your metabolism. Think of them as your internal metabolism trainers, keeping things running efficiently. Including tomatoes in your diet not only adds a burst of flavor, but also supports your body in maintaining a healthy metabolism, contributing to your fat-burning goals. Number 19, coconut oil, the calorie burner. Swap your regular cooking oil for coconut oil. Its medium-chain triglycerides can increase calorie burning and reduce fat storage. It's like turning your kitchen into a fat-burning laboratory. Incorporating coconut oil into your cooking not only adds a delightful flavor, but also supports your body's ability to burn calories more effectively, contributing to your overall fat-burning efforts. The last one is number 20, oatmeal, the day starter. Begin your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal. It keeps you full and energized with its complex carbs, providing a steady stream of energy for your day. Think of it as the fuel that powers your morning. and helps you avoid those mid-morning energy crashes. Including oatmeal in your breakfast routine sets a positive tone for the day, supporting your energy levels and helping you stay focused on your fat-burning journey. You have now got the full lineup of these 20 fat-burning foods are like an arsenal of nutrition that can help any woman in her journey to a healthier lifestyle. From metabolism-boosting green tea to the satisfying crunch of almonds and the lasting energy of sweet potatoes. These foods provide a diverse and delicious toolkit to support your fitness goals. Remember, a well-balanced diet, coupled with regular exercise, is the key to achieving lasting success on your path to better health. So, go ahead and explore these fat-burning wonders and tailor your diet to your preferences and needs. Here's to a healthier, happier you.